Okay, so this one is actually an April Fool's thing.
Isn't it a little late for April Fool's one?
It is, yeah, but I just figured because of this article was written and developed so well, I feel like we should talk about it.
Go ahead.
So Elon Musk shocks the world with plans for new Twitter HQ on Alcatraz Island. And this was by Architizer. But you can kind of see every image here was created by Midjourney. And it's done really well. I mean, you could see Alcatraz.
Come on, you weren't buying this for 10 seconds.
Not for a second.
Yeah.
But you can kind of see like how someone could generate images and write like a full story and actually could be convincing. Maybe not this story because it's so outlandish, but maybe a more subtle, nuanced story. But you can kind of see Twitter HQ built on top of Alcatraz, this rendering.
Yeah.
And you could see the schematics of the building itself. Talk about the spaces in which, you know, people work in.
Oh, yeah, it still looks like a jail on the left there.
Yeah.
They just, if you put big enough, comfy enough green chairs, it's like, it doesn't matter, it's a jail. The walls are still jail-like.
And to make it like a unique space, it's like, it's kind of convincing to a certain point. And then Elon just kind of like a prisoner.
Yeah. They love
That's when it gets a little weird.
the celebrity prisoner.
Yeah.
That's their favorite thing.
Especially a rich person.
And then, well, most celebrities are, but.
Yeah.
And then I don't even know, because when we were trying to goof around with certain names, they were like, nah, you can't do that. And the guy who did the Trump arrest stuff, he got banned. So I think it's one of those ones as well where it's attractive because you're kind of not supposed to do it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. For me, it's tough because it's so unbelievable. I wish they did a slightly more realistic. It's fun.
Sure.
It's fun, but I want to see something fleshed out that I would perceive as being slightly more feasible. But I get it. April Fools, you kind of have to be over the top, or otherwise people get really mad.
Yeah.
People kind of believe it, and they go and spread that story around, and it's a fine balance between believable and unbelievable, and you should at some point, without having to get to the very bottom, be like, wait a minute. That's the goal.